Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
Open Chrome and click the three dots in the top right corner. Choose Settings and then Privacy and Security from the left column. Click Clear Browsing Data and switch to the Basic or Advanced tab. Select Time Range, all time to remove everything from this profile. Check browsing history, cookies and other site data, and cached images and files for a full wipe. Click Clear Data and wait until Chrome confirms the items are deleted. Open your Google account in the browser while signed in to Chrome. Go to Data and Privacy, and then Web and App Activity to review saved items. Click Delete Activity By and choose All Time to remove synced browsing history. Confirm deletion and wait for Google to process the removal across connected devices. Open Chrome Settings, go to Sync and Google Services, and turn off Sync to prevent future uploads. Completely close Chrome and ensure no background processes remain running. Locate the profile folder and delete the default folder to remove local history and cache. Use these paths: Windows, %local app data %\Google \Chrome /user data \default. Mac, ~library /application support /Google /Chrome /default. Linux, ~config /
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.